Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here in Belgavi, I can say the city of manufacturing in Karnataka, and I am very privileged to have Mr. Keith Machado, Managing Director, Orione Hydraulics Private Limited. It's good to meet you, sir, and thank you for giving us the opportunity and time because I know it's early in the morning and you have your own schedule. So thank you for giving us some time.
Yeah, thank you, Dinesh, for coming over and listening to our story that could reach out to many people in India and abroad.
Okay. To start our discussion, sir, the first question I wanted to ask that can you provide us an overview about your company Orione Hydraulics, background and history, including when it started and what are the key milestones of the company?
I'm a first generation entrepreneur. Started Orion Systems in 1992. Incorporated as Orion Hydraulics Private Limited in 2005 along with Mr. Hariharan. An electrical engineer, worked in Mumbai and Oman as a shift engineer,
Okay.
and in 1989 came to Belagavi to look after my aged widowed father,
Okay.
and this has been blessings to me. Worked as a sales and service engineer in Bemco Jacks and allied products for 3 years. Saw the opportunity in after sales service support,
Okay.
which had been neglected by the premium brands then.
Okay.
On analyzing the manufacturing, on analyzing the
Potential.
market potential for high pressure hydraulics, the company started its operation in rented premises
Okay.
with in-house design, manufacturing, assembly and testing. All the manufacturing processes were outsourced.
Okay.
Over the years, the company grew by 20 to 30% annually,
Okay.
and we invested year after year and built the state-of-art manufacturing unit spread over 2,000 square meters
Okay.
with 250 employees,
Okay.
manufacturing high pressure, high and medium pressure hydraulic tools, systems and equipment.
Okay.
Orion milestones and achievements. Purchasing the plant and machinery of the company where I served as a sales and service engineer.
Oh.
Next, declined an offer from Globe's number 1
Okay.
manufacturing similar products
Okay.
in 2012,
Okay.
an offer of 25 crores.
Okay.
And then our network of the company was less than 10 crores.
Okay.
Orion is recognized as one of among the reputed brands in India as well as overseas.
So, sir, what are the core competencies and the areas of specialization of Orion Hydraulics within the hydraulics industry?
State of art, international standard manufacturing facilities with in-house design, fabrication, assembly and
Okay.
testing. Technically qualified and experienced team, offering innovative solutions with high clientele retention, satisfied customers with repeat orders 350 plus.
Okay.
We have designed and supplied 4,000 plus products. Our domestic sales is 90%
Okay.
and export is 10%.
Correct.
The industrial sectors we serve are infrastructure
Okay.
and construction, railways, heavy engineering and process plants, shipbuilding,
Okay.
mining, OEMs, wind turbines, oil and gas, R&D organizations, and customer solutions.
Okay. And sir, how do you stay, at the forefront of technological innovation within the hydraulic sector?
We develop new products 10 to 12 annually.
Okay.
We have developed import substitute and innovative cost effective products. Example, log bolt equipments, strand lifting and pushing equipment, skidding systems, pre-tensioning and post-tensioning systems for stay bridges, high-speed rails, and high-speed rails.
Okay.
We also provide innovative technology. We invest in technology, plant, and machinery.
Okay. So, sir, how do you ensure quality and reliability of your products and services?
Orione is known as a premium brand in India and globally. And we ensure that quality, reliability, and after sales support with responsibility. 100% committed and no compromise whatsoever in raw material input, manufacturing processes, assembly, and testing. On time delivery has been our you can say on time delivery has always been our commitment.
Okay.
We are financially disciplined company with market credibility.
Okay.
We offer equal and fair opportunities to all our employees for learning
Okay.
and career building.
Okay. So, sir, how does your company build and maintain, strong relationship with your customers and partners?
Ours is a trust-based relationship and we stress on ecosystems that promotes creativity, curiosity and innovation, offering reliable products and solutions with responsibility. Distribution network and after sales service in all potential regions.
Okay.
We stay committed to our customer, vendor and employees.
Right. And so, how does the company anticipate addressing emerging trends and challenges in the hydraulics industry in the coming years?
We have short-term and long-term plans in place for new products in existing market and new products in new markets. We participate in exhibitions. We are in lookout for JV partners in technology transfer and contract manufacturing.
Okay.
We invest in technology and effective management, that is money, manpower, material, machines and methods.
We are here in Belgavi, so can you let our audience know the ecosystem Belgavi has, the city, what it has to offer, and how it is helping Belgavi, Karnataka, and Government of India to boost manufacturing?
Belagavi is a two-tier city with opportunities for entrepreneurship and development of MSME units. It's the hub for foundries, hydraulic equipments and systems, automobile industries, and most of the hydraulic elements like pumps, valves, fittings, and other accessories are manufactured locally. We owe our gratitude to BEMCO, Standard Hydraulics, and the Polyhydron Group for being an inspiration to us. Belgavi enjoys an excellent climate and greenery around. It's an educational center for schools, colleges for medical and engineering institutions. It is a border town of Karnataka, shared with neighboring states of Goa and Maharashtra. We enjoy common culture and cuisine.
Thank you, Keith sir. It was pleasure interacting with you and looking forward to many more, conversation in future.
Yeah.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you, and thank you your team, the camera team.